Hi everyone, I will show you how to link TikTok with Instagram. First of all, you need to open your TikTok app and go to profile, then tap to edit profile and you need to tap to Instagram option. Now you need to log in your Instagram, then tap to allow option. Now your TikTok link with Instagram. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.